Okay, so this is Ms. Quevedo's Mexico itinerary. She leaves Spokane at 6 o'clock on May 1st, and she lands in Mexico City at 4:30 p.m. and she returns to Spokane International Airport at 8:50 p.m. on her return time. Some information that she needs to know is that the average temperature during her travel is going to be between 50 and 80 degrees. She needs to make sure that she has items that she can use with 127 volt and 60 hertz standard frequency. Here is her itinerary for her flight. It's going to cost $255, and she does get to check a bag, so that'll be nice. And her hotel is the JW Marriott Hotel in Mexico City. Here's a picture of her room. The bathroom. Here's her phone numbers if she needs to reach them. She can have meetings at the hotel. And here are her services and amenities. When she gets to Guadalajara, she'll be staying at this hotel. Here's a picture of her room and her pool so she can relax. And the information about the time that she'll be there. This is the booking information about the company that's going to pick her up at the airport when she gets to Mexico City, and the Spokane limo service that will be taking her to and from the airport from Coeur d'Alene. When she's in Mexico City, she can dine at her hotel here, or these are nearby restaurants that she can dine in, and these are some restaurants at her hotel if she doesn't want to leave. And when she's in Guadalajara, there's a beautiful little restaurant right in the hotel that she can stay at and make sure that she's taken care of. When she's in Mexico City, she can check out the pyramids, or she can go to the museum while she's there. Nearby services, there's an embassy only a little bit less than 2 miles away from her hotel in Mexico City. She needs to make sure that she's up on all of her vaccines. Rabies, hepatitis A, typhus are some issues that she may need to be careful of. And for every peso, it's worth about 5 cents. And the approximate cost of the flight and the hotels are about $5,000.